Now we are going to check the third equation, whether the given equation represents the simple harmonic motion or not. Here, which equation is given? X is equal to A e power of I omega t is given. Are you clear? Very carefully we have to do this problem. First you have to understand what to be done. Here x is given. First you have to differentiate the equation for one time. You have to find out dx by dt. Okay, we will do it now. X must be differentiated for one time. First time dx by dt to be found out. D by dt of, instead of x substitute a e power of I omega t must be written. Which one is constant here? A is a constant. Are you clear? Therefore, A can be written outside. D by dt of, in bracket you write e power of I omega t must be written. Here one formula, fundamental formula is written, differentiation formula. D by dx of e power of x is equal to e power of x. Same formula must be used here. A can be written as a constant. Here this part must be differentiated. What you will get? Same factor you will get. A and then e I omega t after differentiation. Again this part must be differentiated separately. If this part is differentiated, I omega t is differentiated, you will get I omega. Make a note. So finally you can write A I omega e power of I omega t. So this is called as, what is this? Dx by dt. Somehow, simply mathematics basic fundamental knowledge is essential here to find out certain things. You should know all fundamental formulas of differentiation and integration. Okay. Now, this factor dx by dt to be differentiated for one more time. D by dt of dx by dt, that is this one must be differentiated for one more time. You will get d square x divided by dt square you will get. So, I will take this part d by dt of, already we know the value of dx by dt, same thing must be written. Instead of dx by dt, this one must be written a I omega e power of minus I omega t can be written. Here which factors are constant? Here a is constant, I is constant, omega is constant. Are you clear? Again we can write like this, d by dt of this part again that must be differentiated, e power of I omega t can be written. We know very well how to solve this one. Again you will get a I omega d by dt of e power of I omega t can be written as e power of I omega t by using this formula. Again I omega t to be differentiated for one more time, you will get I omega. If I omega t is differentiated, you will get I omega. Now, here one I omega is there, here one I omega is there. So, what we have to do? A I square omega square e power of I omega t can be written. Here I square is equal to minus 1. For that I have given the explanation. Are you clear? This explanation will be given by your math teachers. Just you know that I square is equal to minus 1. So here I square can be replaced by minus 1. Are you clear? After writing minus instead of I square minus, what we have to do? This omega square can be written in the front. What is the rest of the factor? A e power of I omega t can be written. Now, in the next step, we can write minus omega square. This part can be written within the bracket. A e power of I omega t can be written. Check this part and this one. Look at here, a e I power of omega t is nothing but x. So finally we can write minus omega square. Instead of this part, x can be written. That is the thing which is given there. X can be written. This is nothing but d square x divided by dt square. So we have arrived the final expression. This expression must be compared with equation of SHM. What is the equation of SHM? Equation of SHM. Already we know the fundamental formula. D square y divided by dt square is equal to minus omega square y. This is called equation of SHM. This equation of SHM and the differential equation which is obtained at the end, both of them must be compared. Look at here, here d square x divided by dt square is there. Here d square y divided by dt square is there. Both are similar. And then here minus omega square is there. Here also minus omega square. Here displacement x is there. Here displacement y is there. Are you clear? So it shows that this equation 1 and this equation 2 both are looking similar. Are you clear? So it shows that this equation represents SHM. Therefore we can conclude like this. Therefore x is equal to a e power of I omega t represents, what is this? Represents SHM. This conclusion must be written. Are you clear? Very interesting problem. Try to solve this kind of problem if it is asked in the exam. Okay.